Hi everyone, and welcome back to a new video and tutorial. I hope everybody is doing great. So today I'm back with another video tutorial, which will be how to flatten or straighten the granny ripple stitch or pattern. I have done this shawl some time ago and I wanted to close and straighten all the edges, so I thought maybe you'd like also to learn how to make it. So to see how to turn it from this to this, stay tuned for the rest of the video. So here I'm at the end of the shawl, the granny ripple shawl, and I ended up with one cluster chain 2 cluster for the increase and one double crochet at the end of this row. What I'm gonna do now to straighten the edges, I'm gonna chain 3 as always, and I'm gonna turn my work. So for the normal work where I'm gonna continue with the rows, I'm gonna make 3 double crochet chain 2, 3 double crochet in the space, but now because I'm flattening the work, I'm gonna make a single crochet and I'm gonna continue with a cluster in the next space, which is 3 double crochet, and a cluster in the next space, again 3 double crochet, and we're gonna start the decrease in the third one. So the third one I'm gonna make 3 incomplete double crochet joined together. So 1 incomplete double crochet, 2 and 3, and join them together. Now skip this space, go into the next space and do the same, 3 incomplete double crochet joined together, join, and continue with 1 cluster in each of the next spaces. One cluster and the second one. And here we got the corner, the upper corner again. I'm gonna do like what I did in the first one, which is a single crochet. Now what you can do, you have the option to continue the same throughout the shawl, or you can work space by space. You finish this, then you start the next space, and so on. So I'm gonna show you how to finish this space so you have an idea what to expect. So now I'm gonna chain 3. So 1, 2, 3, and I'm gonna turn again. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna work in the next space 3 double crochet or cluster again. So I did a single crochet on top of the corner, chain 3 and 3 double crochet in the next space. And then now we will have our second decrease in these 2 spaces. So I'm gonna do the same, 3 incomplete double crochet together, join together, yarn over, 2, 3, and join. and go on to the next space, which is this one, and do the same. 3 incomplete double crochet, join together. Okay, and then we got one more space, so I'm gonna make 3 double crochet. Oops. Okay, you see so far, and then I'm gonna chain 3, 1, 2, after the cluster. After the 3 double crochet, I'm gonna make 1 single crochet, like so. So far this is how it looks, and then I'm gonna turn again. I'm gonna chain 3 again, 1, 2 and 3, and turn my work, and I will do my last decrease. So I've got 2 spaces left. I'm gonna make 3 incomplete double crochet. So 1, 2 and 3, and go on to the next space. 1, 2 and 3, and join together, and then single crochet onto the next one. And this is how you flatten the granny ripple. Easy and quick to do. What you can do now is slip stitch till the last corner, the previous corner, and then start working the spaces and decrease again like I showed you in the beginning until you get all of your work flat, and you can add to that a single crochet in every stitch to even make it look neater and better. I hope you found the tutorial useful and easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care, bye bye.